Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to draw and color one of my favorite characters from the Sonic universe, the legendary leader of the Babylon Rogues, Jet the Hawk. Let's start with our drawing. Use black marker for the outline. Jet has some spiky hair, or quills. From the top of his head, draw some sharp, triangular shapes pointing upwards and backward. Make them a bit jagged and dynamic, like he's moving fast. Add a couple of smaller spikes around his cheeks too. And don't forget those cool goggles. Draw a band across his forehead above his eyes, and then the two large, rounded rectangular lenses over his eyes. Draw two almond shapes for his eyes above the muzzle. Make sure they're slightly slanted. Inside, add two smaller ovals for his pupils and a tiny circle for the highlight. Now for his iconic muzzle and beak. Draw a curved line coming out from the bottom of his head oval, extending downwards and then curving back up to form the top of his muzzle. Then, under that, draw a sort of rounded M shape for his beak. For his body, let's draw a pear shape or a slightly rounded rectangle. Think of it as the upper part being wider and tapering down a bit for his waist. For his arms, draw two slightly curved cylinders extending downwards from his shoulders. His hands are fairly simple. We'll draw them as chunky, rounded shapes for now, with just a hint of finger separation. For his legs, draw two thicker, curved cylinders extending from his lower body, making sure they widen a bit towards the bottom for his boots. His boots are a key part of his design. Draw a distinct shape for the soles, and then add the details like the straps and the red section. For his chest, draw the white fluff around his neck and the little tufts on his chest. Don't forget his tail, which is a bit spiky and curves upwards from his lower. Now for the most fun part, coloring. This is where Jet really comes to life. Let's start with his main colors. Jet is predominantly green. Grab your main shade of green for his body, quills, arms, and legs. Color these sections in smoothly, trying to stay within the lines. If you have a slightly darker green, you can add some shading under his quills, on his limbs, or where parts overlap to give him more depth. Then, for his goggles, use it for the metal parts of his goggles and the buckles on his wristbands. You can also add a touch of light gray for subtle shading on the white areas, like under his chin or on his gloves. Use a bright blue. Don't forget the little white reflections in the blue lenses and eyes. Use black color for eye pupils. His wristbands and buckles on his boots are black. For his boots, use red for the main part, and black for the soles and the very top cuffs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first try isn't exactly like mine. The more you draw, the better you'll get. Try drawing him again, or try other Sonic characters. Next, take your orange for his beak. Color it in completely. You can also add a touch of light gray for subtle shading on the white areas, like under his chin or on his gloves. And there you have it. Your very own drawing of Jet the Hawk. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more.